Hey guys, welcome back to our call. In this video, we are going to see how we can encrypt a Windows device using Sophos and we can manage the encryption of that device. So for that, you just have to click on the My Products, then you have to click on Encryptions. After that, you just have to come to the policies. Let's create the new policies for the encryptions. Before that, let me just review the base encryption policies as well. What are the settings available here? So there is only the single setting, turn on or turn off the device encryption. So let me go back and create a new policies from scratch. That would be the easier way. So this policies also can be assigned to a user or either can be assigned to a device, but we are using the device since we want the full disk encryption. Again, test encryption policies and select the device, move it to that way, then select the group. Same ways we can do it for group as well. And go to the settings and turn on the device encryption. So there are one more thing which is like encrypt root volume keys. So this is the like kind of okay, if you are having the C and D drive, so it will block only like it will encrypt only C drive, but if you want to block all the drives, so don't make sure you don't turn it on and require a startup authentications. That is the worst feature in Sophos. Turn it off. Specifically, I'm recommending you, else on the every time it won't use TPM and you have to provide the additional password other than this as well. Other than this, encrypt used space only. If you want to make your encryptions fast, you can use these options as well, but it's depend on your need and the what compliance or the what regulations you are following. So I'm just testing, so I'm using these options to test it. And there is a one more another options like user is allowed to create the password protect file via the context menu. Okay, so if user also can encrypt any file or he can create the password protected file using Sophos in Windows. And there is a Outlook add-in. I just don't want to keep it on because they don't have it for like major servers and most of the things. So let's just keep it off and save it. Let's see if our device see any update in encryptions. Till now you can see on the my drive it's not encrypted. So after we top troubleshooting, what I get to know it like this encryptions policies will take time and sometimes we have to restart as well. So let's see the Sophos Endpoint productions. You just have to open it. Click on open Sophos Endpoint agent and it will check for the specifically encryption. So just you just have to click on open endpoint self help. This is the another tool from the Sophos itself. You can see there are multiple things, services, component, all these things are activated like Sophos is able to communicate with the servers and all the things. In the settings, you just have to go to the device encryptions and you can see at least one volume is still encrypting. BitLocker activation is installed, TPM is available and ready. Policy is active, at what time the last update has been received. Authentication is required, no. So this is the policy details and this is the volume details, and protection is like just a password, like your device password, whatever you are typing, it will use the same password to encrypt the drive. So you won't get any pop-up. There is nothing you have to do from your end after doing the policy implementations. Thanks guys, thanks for the watching. We'll meet in next videos.